Hey guys, it's Ashley. I wanted to share with you a thrift haul of items that I got this weekend at the thrift store. So we'll just get right into it. My first thing, my husband actually saw these before I did, and I was shocked. They're Tony Llama cowboy boots. They're in decent condition, but they definitely need conditioning and maybe some shoe polish. I'm not really sure, but we'll fix those up. The next thing is, I've never heard of this brand before, but I looked up comp spas in the store and I thought they were pretty decent on Poshmark. Ross Homerson, they're brand new. I don't see a size on them right off. I don't know. I got this Soft Surroundings cardigan, which I actually didn't get this from a thrift store. I actually sourced this online. Somebody had it listed for super low, and I bought it to resell. It's a size large. It's kind of like a tie-dye print. It's really cute. I got this Pendleton wool sweater. It's a size extra large. It's really nice. It's in very good condition. I'm not really sure what I'll get out of that one. I have to look that one up on eBay or Poshmark. And then these are my favorite. If these were my size, I would keep them for myself. They are Vince Camuto boots. I think the style name was like Anya or something. And, I mean, they're pretty much like new. They have just like some slight scuff marks on the toe, but we can clean that up very easily. So I didn't get anything crazy. I didn't get too much, but that's what I got this weekend. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. I really have enjoyed making these couple videos that I've made, and I hope to make more if people want to see it. So I hope you have a great weekend or week whenever you're seeing this, and I'll see you later.